Let's solve this together. So what we're going to do is that we will solve this and also solve this and then add them together. That's how we're going to simplify it. So here we say 9.12 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. How can I easily solve it is by moving this decimal point into 5 places. Okay, so we can do that by saying here, let's start from here. 1, 2, so we have another 3, 4, 5. So fill in these places with 0. 1, 2, 3. Right? So that we have 9, 1, 2. Then we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So the next one is 3.6 times 10 raised to the power 4. 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4. So we'll do the same thing again. So we say, we move from here, 1, remaining 3, right? 2, 3, 4. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 places. So that we'll have 36. Now remaining 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Now we'll have solved these two parts. So when we add this together, we'll have, so this 912,000 plus 36,000 will give us what? It will give us 948,000. Now, remember we have been asked to express it in standard form. So to express it in standard form, all we simply do is to do what? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 9.48 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. So this is our final answer. Bye!